In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hang wallpaper the easy way. If you've struggled with wallpaper in the past, hopefully today I'll show you an easy way to get things sorted out. The way we're working today is we're going to measure the wallpaper, get the wallpaper sitting nice and centrally on the wall, knock up the paste the wall, and then hang the wallpaper. So that's the process. Let's get and do it. Right, today we're putting a mural on this wall. It's quite a simple one. It's only 2 pieces, but the process is still the same, whether it's one cut or more. So once you've done one, you're pretty much set to do the rest of them. So this is how we do it. With this mural, it's pretty much going to be in the centre of the wall because it's a loft room, so you can see the ceiling's not that high, so it's not going to go from floor to ceiling. It's going to sit in the middle of the wall, more like a picture really, rather than a mural. So we start by measuring out and spacing it so it looks central to the wall. So we'll do that now. Now we've measured the wall, so we've got the mural nice and central on the wall. What we need to do now is draw a straight line with a spirit level down the wall, so we've got the wallpaper sitting nice and square to the wall. The way we do that is measure the width of the wallpaper, come in that far, that's where the first cut is, draw a straight line, that's where your first drop is going to be put, nice and square with the line that you're about to mark with the spirit level. The next thing you need to do is knock up some wallpaper paste. You can buy ready mixed, which is probably easier, but I've got some this in the van, so let's use that. So you're going to need a bucket, stirring stick, wallpaper paste. Chuck some cold water in the old bucket, and then just add a few of the wallpaper paste flakes. What you have to do is keep stirring it constantly, otherwise it will go lumpy. So start off by getting it going, and then just slowly add some paste. You can read the instructions on the packet, but you can also do it by eye. Leave that for a couple of minutes to just sit there and thicken, and should be good to go. Got the paste knocked up, ready to go. A few other things we're going to need is a roller tray, a brush, corker, knife, some sharp blade, a roller. Now there are 2 ways to hang wallpaper. You've got a paste to wall type and a paste to paper type. The one we're hanging this morning is a paste to wall, so what we're going to do is put a coat of paste on the wall now. So we've got a coat of paste on the wall now. As you can see, I double rolled it just to make sure that every bit of the wall is covered. Now it's time to hang the paper. Smooth out the bubbles as you go, pushing them to the edge of the paper, not going too mad. Really should be using a wallpaper brush, but guess what? left it at home. So you just gently let it drop naturally and just push the air out, not going mad, just being gentle with it, because what you don't want to do is get a crease in it. Okay. Then all you need to do is repeat the process for the other bit. And again, so paste up the wall. Now we've got to add the second part of the mural. Some of these you have to splice down the middle, but it looks like this one's just a butt joint. So all you do is hang it like normal wallpaper. So there we have it. Both pieces up. All we've got to do is trim the top there and give it a wash over, and we're done. And there we go. All I need now is to go and get some hot soapy water and give it a wash over. One thing to bear in mind if you are buying the less expensive murals, that sometimes the printing is not so great, so be careful when you're washing the face over, because the print does tend to come off sometimes. Thanks for watching the video. It's like everything, when someone else does it, it always looks easier, but if you struggle, don't worry, it does take a little bit of practice to get the art of it just about right. It might be worth practicing with a bit of lining paper to start with, just until you get a bit of confidence, but yeah, carry on, I'm sure you'll be fine. If you found this video interesting, please click subscribe, and I shall speak to you soon.